I'm recording this video after close of trade Thursday, 9th of February 2012. Happy you had a good day's trading, doing well. It's kind of a little bit like carbon copy of yesterday, kind of spiked down in the morning and rally for the rest of the day. The rally continues. We're up at 13, I think 52 is the high. It closed at 48. The trailing stop on better X trend continues to be kind of trailed up. In terms of like the 4,500 tip bar chart, that was pre the open. This was a little kind of spike up into 52 with, I think it was unemployment numbers that came out at 7:30. And we kind of fell into this decline, had a exhaustion volume signal kind of down here. Blue professional bar kind of comes in, rally for the rest of the day. Similar to yesterday, same kind of pattern. Exhaustion selling, blue professional bars, rally for the rest of the day. And this kind of 52 level obviously was kind of an important psychological high. Rambo patterns into that for the rest of the day. Had a little bit of a retrace on this move up with a bullish divergence and flush signal on the 4500 tip bar chart. You can also see it on the 1500 tip bar chart. In terms of my trading, I thought I was doing well until we got this kind of waterfall decline here. Blue professional bar was almost like an icebreaker trade. Cyclical resistance, blue professional bar. As soon as the bullish divergence pattern kind of came in, I got out, so with 1 3/4 points here, and then I thought I was being so smart. Little Rambo pattern here, kind of testing those lows. We'd had our bullish divergence come in and, kind of went long here. And then at 9 o'clock, something happened. I still don't know what happened, what number came out, or what news announcement it was particularly that kind of shot this thing down. But all of a sudden it just went the other way. Scared me out of my position, took a loss on that trade. And then, with a flush signal kind of come in, blue professional bars, I thought, well, I'll go long again, but I was misreading these blue professional bars. The highs of those blue professional bars never get taken out. The lows kind of get taken out, and then this amateur bar kind of comes in, trying to buy the breakout, and of course the lows get taken out, and we go into this, steep decline. And so I took another loss here, so kind of stood back, down 1 point after 3 trades, and just waited for this setup. So on the 500 tip bar chart, you can see that low kind of about 9:30. Exhaustion selling signals, bullish divergence kind of comes in. We test with amateur down bars here. Final little flush signal here, and we rally on. You can see kind of confirmation of this rally with that little testing bet down bar, amateur down bar. At that point, the highs get taken out. But 1500 tip bar chart, it was bullish divergence, first bullish divergence after exhaustion, and that blue professional bar kind of high gets taken out, so that kind of worked in my favor. So I was in at 42 1/4, which was nice, and then got out on this for 4 points at 46 1/4 here. And you can see how you could have re-entered with another support level kind of comes in here after flush signal and bullish divergence kind of comes in. And the move, is kind of, this is why I talk about kind of 4-point targets are good, and moves run for 10 points. So, this move bottoms at 41, tops out at 51. So, trend move, nice trend move into a 10-point kind of move top to bottom. But it's in 2 legs, and the first leg is good for about 4 or 5 points, and then you get a little retrace. Well, fairly big retrace, and then it's good for another 4 points. So if you can get your 4 points out of each of these legs, that's the idea, and you don't have to sit through that kind of retrace. For me, I just would find it impossible to hold up here. That just wouldn't be my thing. But to try and get something out of this, and then kind of, if you want to re-enter, get another 4 out of that move, that's the logic for having kind of 4-point targets and trend moves kind of running for 10 points. I'll tag on this last kind of trade of the day. Quite nice kind of little setup there. And let's see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Tend to see a couple of things. There's a bias towards kind of fairly big trend moves on Friday, and also Friday has a little bit of a positive bias. So I don't know. Is Apple going to break 500? Who knows? Anyway, hope you traded well today. 42.25. Long 42.25, and pull back to end of trend on the 500 tip bar chart. I've also had exhaustion selling on the downside here, 1500 tip bar chart, bullish divergence kind of come in. So we've got a whole series of kind of flush signals here. Caught a little bit of surprise by this downswing. This amateur bar up at 46s. So, and there's nothing. You've got a cyclical support on 13,500 tip bar chart here, kind of due, but Yeah, that ought to be really with a pullback to end of trend on 15. So let's see if we just get a little bit of a bounce here to cyclical resistance on 15. Here we got to 44s, then had this little kind of spike down, and with a down bar here. It's going to be cyclical resistance on 1500 tip bar chart, but we're bouncing from there. So let's wait and see. There was a little bit of profit taking here. So they're still holding long. Okay, here we go, just breaking out through resistance on the 500 and 1500 tip bar chart. No blue professional bars, kind of taking profits here. Though around 46, this last point here will be an interesting point. Targets at 46 and a quarter. That resistance level's at 47, so around that spot you'd expect some kind of technical resistance. Again, blue professional bar just here on that little retrace. Let's break the highs 46 and just go for a little bit of a run, please. 7,000 on better momentum, but these readings were 10,000s. So got a little bit of a waste run. Another blue professional bar on 500 too. Well, we're just hanging around this 44.5 level. Blue professional bars here, 1500, 45, here we go. I think this is just buying this breakout and just kind of getting set here. At this little amateur down bar, blue professional bar kind of stepped in straight away and the highs got broken. So we're up to 45s, just looking into 46 and a quarter. Which would be nice around where we get a cyclical resistance here, so come on. Okay, we just had exhaustion buying on the 500 tip bar chart. Blue professional bars, a couple of them coming in here. We're coming into cyclical resistance here with just under 46. So I'm just hoping for a little pop. Down a fraction to 45, 44.5. We've got cyclical support kind of due here. This might be, I don't think it'll be a pullback in an uptrend. I think it'll just signal below that. But we've just got a fraction more to run on this 4500 tip bar chart here. So still hoping for that little pop. Not got a bearish divergence yet on the 500 tip bar chart. Had our exhaustion, here we go. So that was an amateur down bar right there. So amateurs getting short a little bit too early maybe. Or taking profits too early. Let's get a little bit of a pop now. Just still holding out. Just we have bearish divergence coming on the 500 tip bar chart here. Swing is still in place. We got to 46, but we just came down again. Just running out of time when it comes to 4500 tip bar chart. Let's just get another little push. Just out 46 and a quarter, 4. And just a little pop there, 10,000 on better momentum on the 1500 tip bar chart. Blue professional bar here coming up to cyclical resistance, and it's nice. So all off this bullish divergence signal on the 1500 tip bar chart here, with end of trend flush signal on the 500. Bang. Be nice if this were a pullback and an uptrend here, so that'd be like an end of trend to end of trend type pattern, and it'll be some kind of resistance up here. So well, that was good. 4 points after 3 points net after 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. Just this downswing, this bar caught me. I should have been going short at that amateur bar, but anyway, live and learn. At least we ended the day up, which is good. It's me done 10:16 AM. I hope you traded well.